In this video, we will see how to set up Google Drive integration for the Next3 Offload plugin using the Google Cloud Console. After installing the Next3 Offload plugin and the Google Drive add-on, your first step is activation. Simply enter your license key here and click Next to move forward. In this step, you'll be asked to provide your website type and optionally enable services like media offload, image optimization, and database optimization. Then click Next. Here, you'll see the full list of cloud providers supported by Next3 Offload. Since we're focusing on Google Drive today, just scroll down a little bit and select the Google Drive as your provider. To establish the connection, you'll need your client ID and client secret from the Google Cloud Console. Let's head over to Google Cloud Console to grab those credentials. Here, if you already have a project created, select that project from the Project dropdown. If you don't have any projects, then create a new one. In our case, the project is already created, so we will select it and move directly to the next step. Now, enable Google Drive API. From the left side menu, click on APIs and Services, then go to Library. In the search box, type Google Drive API and click on it. After that, click the Enable button. Next, we will create OAuth credentials. Go to the Google Auth platform, then to Clients and select Create Client. Set the application type as Web Application. In the name field, enter a name. Now, scroll to the Authorized Redirect URI section and click on Add URI. For the Redirect URI, go to the plugin setup page on your website. There, you will see a Redirect URI. Copy that link, then come back to the Google Cloud Console and paste it into the Authorized Redirect URI field. This step is very important because Google will use this URL to complete authentication. After everything is set, click the Create button. Google will now provide a client ID and a client secret. Copy both of them and save them in a secure place. Now, add test user. Here comes a very important step, adding a test user. Go to the Google Auth platform, then to Audience. Make sure the publishing status is set to testing. Under the Test Users section, click on Add Users. Enter the Google account that will connect to Google Drive, then click Save. Important warning: if this email is not added as a test user, Google will show this error. Access blocked. App has not completed the Google verification process, so make sure this step is not skipped. Now go back to Next3 Offload and paste the client ID and the client secret that you copied and saved. Click Save and Continue. And in the next step, click Generate Authentication and select the Gmail account you'd like to use for your storage. Click Check the connection to save it. That's it! You have successfully set up the Google Drive API and OAuth credentials. Your website can now securely connect with Google Drive. Here, you're the Next3 Offload dashboard. You'll see that Google Drive is successfully connected as your provider. Next, move over to the delivery settings. Here, simply type the name of the folder where you'd like to store your media. Next3 Offload will automatically create this folder in your drive by you hitting Save Settings. Okay, now let's go and test it out. I'll upload a new media file to WordPress. As soon as the upload finishes, you can see it's automatically offloaded to Google Drive, perfectly organized into subfolders by year and date. Fast, seamless, and secure.